Wilfred, Reuters throwing some cold water on the prospect for that phase one deal to happen this year. I spoke to three sources who are close to talks who said that the deal is in trouble, that U.S. officials believe that China is asking for a disproportionate amount in return for what the U.S. is willing to provide here, that the size of the phase one deal was supposed to deal with a limited amount of things, and that the amount of tariffs that China is asking to roll back have simply been very difficult for the U.S. side to swallow. So what does that mean for this deal going ahead? Well, it's unclear exactly what the president views as his position right now. He said yesterday that he could make tariffs even higher if he wanted to, although White House officials have been trying for the last several months to reach a point in negotiations where they could avert any additional tariffs or tariff hikes. But it seems that that may be difficult if there continues to be an impasse of this size as we believe it to be. Of course, the big question is whether those December 15th tariffs go into place. That is going to be something that you can believe that Tim Cook, the CEO of Apple, is going to be discussing with President Trump behind closed doors, as he has about a half a dozen times in private conversations before.
Yeah, it's certainly something we'll be watching for in Austin, Texas. Kayla, meantime, when you have lawmakers in the Senate passing bills centered on Hong Kong as well, is that adding to the tensions here in these trade talks?
Well, it's certainly a shot across the bow, and it certainly doesn't make discussions any easier. But we have seen many iterations of this scenario where there's been a complicating factor, whether it's the Commerce Department adding entities to a business blacklist right as these talks are about to take place. I mean, we've seen this play out many times before, and the position of the White House has always been that democratically elected lawmakers are able to do essentially whatever they feel the need to do on human and political rights, as they are in this case, that the White House is keeping trade talks on a separate track. Of course, that's not how they view things in Beijing.